Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Looksmax AI app. First, let's understand what this innovative application offers. It's designed to provide personalized aesthetic analysis and improvement plans. The app leverages advanced artificial intelligence to evaluate facial features and suggest tailored enhancements. You can gain insights into your unique facial structure and receive actionable advice. This tool aims to help you optimize your appearance effectively and confidently. We'll cover everything from uploading photos to interpreting your detailed reports. To start, open the Looksmax AI app and navigate to the photo upload section. You'll need to provide at least 2 to 3 clear, well-lit photos of your face, one front-facing, one profile, and ideally one 3/4 view. Make sure your hair is pulled back and your expression is neutral for the most accurate results. The app's AI will then meticulously analyze over 100 distinct facial data points from these images to build your unique profile. Once your photos are processed, the app generates a comprehensive personalized report. This report will detail various aspects of your facial aesthetics, including symmetry, proportions, and individual feature analysis. You'll receive an overall aesthetic score, typically on a scale of 1 to 10, along with specific, actionable recommendations. These suggestions might range from targeted skincare routines to grooming tips or even lifestyle adjustments, all tailored to your unique profile. Now it's time to put your personalized plan into action. Consistently apply the recommendations provided in your report, whether they involve new grooming habits or specific exercises. The Looksmax AI app allows you to track your progress by uploading new photos periodically, perhaps every 2 to 3 months. This feature helps you visualize changes and refine your strategy. Many users report seeing significant improvements within 90 days of consistent effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.